I built a full website and brand for the Arts Workplace in just a few hours using Claude. It was 4 steps, no coding, no design background, nothing complicated. So if words like HTML and domain make you want to close the screen, please don't. I promise you can do exactly what I did with zero web design experience. It was cheap, it was fast, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Let's get into it. Welcome to the Arts Workplace, a place for arts administrators to find practical knowledge and real experience inside of the work. I'm Amy, and I created this channel to share what I've learned with the arts and culture community. I'm going to take you step by step through this very simple process. But first, let me show you the finished product. This is the website that was created by this process. If you visit theartsworkplace.com, you'll find a multi-page website and a complete brand identity that remains consistent throughout the site. This is a custom design website, not a pre-built template. In every part of this website, every page, menu, block of text, filter has been created and updated by Claude. Even the blog posts are auto-generated by a Claude skill, but that's a video for another day. Step 1, brand development. This is the step everyone wants to skip because they're really eager to jump into the build, but they're so eager that they completely skip the preparation. But this step is really critical because it creates the foundation. It's the step that determines whether everything after it goes smoothly or turns into 10 rounds of fighting with a design tool or an AI tool that keeps giving you the wrong result. So if you skip this and you go straight into a design tool with just a vague idea, it's going to try to guess at your tone, your audience, your whole visual language all at once with nothing to check itself against. And odds are it will guess wrong. Then you're repeatedly revising a finished mockup or product when you should be focusing on building your content. So the time cost and the frustration is very high. So let me show you what I actually did. I started with a chat tool. I used Claude, but I've also had great results with ChatGPT as well. I went through this process the long way. I had multiple chat sessions where I developed a mission statement, a tagline. I developed bios and voice and tone guide. I determined my content pillars. I determined my website structure. So I just went back and forth with Claude until the output I got felt right. Having gone through all of that, I can offer you a shortcut. I can take everything I learned doing it the long way and give you a prompt that will get you there faster. If you prefer to iterate, that's how I work, please have the long chat. But if you want to get to a result fast, I'd recommend using a prompt similar to what I'm showing you here. So you want to build a detailed prompt that says something like, I'm building a content platform and a website called whatever your platform name is, in my case, the Arts Workplace. I need help developing a content foundation document or brand document and a suggested website structure to bring it all together. Here's some background. Tell it who you are. What is your role? What is your credibility? What makes you an expert in this topic? Tell it who your target viewer is, what your content will cover. You want to describe the voice you'd like. My voice is warm, it's direct, it's practical. Please help me develop a complete content foundation and website plan and include details like a mission statement, a brand description, short and long bios, voice and tone guide, visual identity recommendations like color palettes and logos, and of course, the whole purpose of this video, a website structure. And then always ask it to ask you clarifying questions before it gets to work so you can ensure that it's focusing on the right ideas. So basically, follow this prompt, fill in your own details, and you should be all set. And here you see the result of that chat, a content foundation document that everything else in this video gets built from. This is exactly what you'll be handing to Claude Design in the next step. Not just a vague idea, but a document it can work from. And the estimated time to complete this planning step, less than an hour, really up to you how much time you want to dedicate to the planning process. By the way, before we move on to the next step, I did create a free one-page guide to developing your prompt. It is linked in the video description and in the pinned comment below if you want to go ahead and download that before you start your own work and get into the next steps. Step 2, brand assets and the website design mockup. This is where Claude Design comes in. A mockup is a really great place to start because if you don't like it, you can start over, you can toss it out. A live website build, not so much, right? It takes a lot of time investment to build out a website, and once you're locked into a structure, you're a little bit stuck. So this is the stage where you want to be doing your visual experimenting, while changing your mind still only costs minutes instead of hours or days. I handed Claude Design my content foundation document from step 1, and I started with actually building a full design system, including typography, color palettes, style rules, and this becomes a reference system I can point back to for anything I build later. But in addition to the full design system build, I worked with it to build a full website mockup wireframe. I gave it an idea of the pages and content I want, and it created for me an HTML file that I could use. Now, why a design system? If you skip straight to the mockup, you will get something that looks fine on its own. It'll be good enough. But what we want here is coherence and consistency across all of our platforms and assets. This is the benefit of a design system. So here you have what my design system looked like. And Claude Design even helped clean up my logo files because I went into this with some low-res logo files. It created variations for me in a high-res format. By the end of it, you can see exactly what your finished site's going to look like before a single real page even exists. You're not committing to a website until you've already seen and signed off on what you're building toward. Time needed for this step, maybe 30 minutes, up to an hour, depending on your level of perfectionism. But that's time spent waiting and not working. Step 3, setting up your WordPress account and website domain. This is the boring but necessary step. Setting up your WordPress account and your domain because you need somewhere for your website to live. First, let me address why did I choose WordPress? There are so many other options. The reason I chose WordPress is there is a WordPress Claude connector that makes this whole process possible. But also, the hosting cost was very low, and WordPress has a really solid reputation, so you really can't go wrong. Okay, so you'll need a domain name, and you'll need WordPress hosting. You can register your domain directly through WordPress, or you could explore more affordable options for registering your domain. In my case, I used Namecheap. For me, total cost was about $74 for an entire year. That included 2 domains I registered through Namecheap, plus a full year of hosting on WordPress. And most registrars and hosts will walk you through the setup. So all you have to do is just pick a plan, connect a domain, and you are all set. So while this isn't the most interesting step in the process, it's obviously a must before Cowork can build your site for you. But this is all work that can be done in a matter of minutes. Okay, on to the last step. Step 4, Claude Cowork. Build your site inside of WordPress. Once you complete steps 1 through 3, you can then connect Claude to your WordPress account. You hand Cowork your HTML mockup, and then you just ask it to build the site. Cowork takes all the actions you'd normally do by hand inside of WordPress, creating the pages, applying the styles, building out the structure, while you watch and test as it goes. This is not typing a prompt into a chat tool and just getting something back that you have to copy and paste. Think of this like you are directing a person, someone who's doing the work for you, like a web designer. They are doing the work and you're just giving feedback throughout the process. But please be realistic about the process. It won't be perfect on the first pass. My site certainly was not. For example, I had a styling conflict where the WordPress template that was in place kept overriding the custom CSS that Cowork was trying to put in place. But Cowork was able to work through that very easily once I flagged it. So your job is just to thoroughly check the work like you would in any other task and simply tell Cowork when something is not quite right. It is an iterative process, so just expect a few rounds of back and forth with Claude before you're happy with the result. But personally, once the styling issue was resolved, for me, the site was essentially ready on version 2. I did spend more time making a lot of small tweaks because perfectionism is my toxic trait, but I could have left it as is and moved on with my life. So the time investment here is up to you. This step will require the most time investment, but ultimately maybe an hour or two for it to be ready for public consumption. And there you have it. 4 simple steps, less than 4 hours, and a custom website built with 0 coding experience. Develop your brand in Claude Chat, create assets and a mockup in Claude Design, set up your WordPress site and domain, and then let Cowork take over and do all of the heavy lifting for you. Comment below and tell me what you're thinking about building or where you're stuck if you're trying to do this yourself. Here's what I really want you to take away from this. It's not that the tools are magic, because they're not. What makes this work is the method. Brand first, then design, then hosting, then build, in that order, because each step relies on the one before it. Skip the order, and you end up fighting the tools instead of directing them. So you don't need a developer and you don't need to be a web designer to build something that's actually yours. You just need preparation, a clear brief, and the willingness to direct the tools instead of just typing in a vague prompt and hoping for the best. That's really the whole method, and it scales to a lot more than just a website. If you're interested in how I've used Claude to solve other operational challenges, check out this video here, where I built a custom AI chat agent for our customer service team that has an automated feedback loop. And if this was useful, please support the channel by subscribing. I'll see you in the next one.